Hi sweeties! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna go back to my YouTube roots and I'm gonna do a shoe haul! Yay! I'm so excited because I have 7 new pairs of shoes! And to be honest, I ordered them quite a while ago, so I have absolutely no freaking idea of what shoes they are. Like, no clue what I chose. I just remember it's good and I was very excited about it when I got to choose them. So, you're in for a treat. All the shoes I'm gonna be showing you today were sent to me by Dream Pairs, which is today's sponsor. I love their website because their motto is fashion within reach. So they have some very fabulous shoes that are also super affordable. You can use my discount code right here to get a wonderful discount. You're welcome. And their link is in the video description. Okay, so before I show you some... Wait, there's more. Some amazing shoes. Please subscribe and activate the notifications so you know when I post new videos. Also, please follow me on Instagram for amazing outfits that are totally gonna change your life. And give us a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Oh, do you wanna see my nails? Look at that. They're like super sparkly and cute and not too long. They're press-ons as always, obviously. Okay, I'm gonna start by this one that says pink for obvious reasons. Okay. Oh, it's the best shade of pink ever. It matches my hair. Wow. Oh my god, look at this. The elegance, the glamour, the sparkles. Oh my god, this is everything. I mean, it would be perfect for weddings, but also like any occasion, like the gym, camping. And I've been seeing this style everywhere. Like, I keep seeing people wearing this shoe with this rhinestone bow like this, and I keep seeing them and thinking, oh my god, I want it, I need it, it's so beautiful, it's so elegant but also so camp at the same time. And now I have it in pink. Perfection. Oh my god, I'm pretty sure I got the same one in different colors too, because I'm extra like that. Whoa. Oh my god, I almost like this even more than the pink because it's sparkly. Look at this. I mean, apart from the rhinestones themselves, the actual like fabric of the shoe is glittery. Like, look at this. Wow, and I love that the heel is kind of curved like this. So cool. That's just perfect. It's so stunning. Next, I have no idea what this is. But I can see sparkle. Oh my god, okay. Are you ready for this? I think that's actually my favorite so far. I didn't think I could say that because I liked the previous shoe so much. But this is everything. Oh my god. Wait, let me remove the paper stuff. I mean, it's a completely clear shoe, but covered in rhinestones. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Yes, this is like stripper vibes, but make it classy. They're so amazing. How pretty is this? Oh my freaking god. They fit! Yes! Thank goodness for that. Oh my god, I would have cried if they didn't. How beautiful is this? Yes. Okay, now no idea what this one is. Oh, okay. We have a classic girl right here. Like, look at this. This looks like it will be so comfortable, but also like classy. You know, if you're gonna go somewhere where you're gonna have to stand for a long time, but you still have to wear heels, this would be perfect. Really cute, very different from everything I have. So I love it. Not as over the top as the previous ones, but I can imagine like some really cute outfits with this. I love this kind of like vintage strap here. Very cool. Oh, okay. Look at me being extra and getting the same things in the same in different colors. Look. Yeah. So we have this classic girl, but the nude version. This is the kind of shoe that will go with absolutely everything, and yeah, it's gonna make it elegant. Even if you wear this with like a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, that's just gonna elevate your look and make you elegant, right? Like I'm not trying hard, I'm just naturally elegant. This is what this shoe is giving. Loves it. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, I think there's another one of my favorite. Oh my, well, one of my favorites. I can't really decide what my favorite is, but oh yes. Oh my god, I did a good job when I chose these shoes. I'm patting myself on the back. I chose well. I did good. I made my country proud. Look at this. Here is the rhinestone bow again. Yes, it's back. Oh my god. Oh yes. So classy yet trendy. I am so glad I got this in a few different colors because I am obsessed. This is just everything. Oh my god. So I got in silver, that goes with everything, black, that goes with everything, and pink, that goes with all my stuff because all my stuff is pink. So shoes for days. That's so beautiful. It is, I mean, it's such a different vibe in black, isn't it? As compared to pink and silver. This is like so serious looking. Like if I had to actually look professional one day, like this would be good. Okay, what's next? What's next? I have absolutely no clue. I see sparkles. I do see sparkles. Oh my freaking god. This is amazing. Are you ready for the sparkliness? Ta-da! So let me zoom in so you can actually see the sparkles properly. Look at this girl. So this is like that classic shoe, but with glitter on it. Yes, we needed that, didn't we? I mean, this would go with so many different looks and it would look so cutesy and girly and still like it would be comfortable because it's not a very high heel and it's a chunky heel as well. So you could basically go jogging wearing this. Like so comfy. How cute. Oh my god, let's choose my favorite. Okay, I am torn in between pink shoe with rhinestone bow and clear shoe with rhinestones. Like, which one do you prefer? I mean, actually, tell me in the comments out of all of them, which one is your favorite?